Hi guys, welcome back. We are now ready to open up these cute things from Japan, which if you remember in my last video, we unboxed my Hobonichi, and we've got the A6 book, and we got the weekly. So now we're going to open up these cute things from Japan, and I can't really remember exactly what I ordered, but I do think I ordered them when I was ordering these, thinking I can sort of use them in my notebooks. Okay, here we go. In this cute packaging, little flowers. I'm going to save that and put it in. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited because I can't remember. I can't remember what I ordered. But I know it's good because I didn't know what it was. Cute little washi tape. Okay, to begin with, it looks like we have washi tape. Okay, this is called masking tape, which is a sturdier washi tape. And let's try to open it up and see if we can get a better look. Here we go. So it looks like we have a night sky. Can you see that well? There we go. Beautiful. The rabbits and the foxes. This is nice. And then we have a Merry Christmas. And it's the kitty cats with their Christmas balls. They're tossing them all around. Here we go. Christmas presents and kitty cats and Christmas decorations. Super cute. Let's see what this one is. Oh, these are little individual stickers. These are cute. So you can take them apart. So you can use a whole line or you can use separate. Those are fun. Okay. I'll just put this here like this for now. A little panda bear. Oh, how cute. little cards. It's a postcard. I honestly don't remember ordering this. It must have been very late at night when I should have been going to bed. And I was stuck on the internet ordering things. Okay. This is cute. I love this. It's got a little bear. And what is this? Oh, pretty. Flowers. So these are postcards as well, which are great because you can actually use them in your planners for little notes. This is the perfect size. I think that's why I got them. I think because all of this I want to use for accessories for my planners. Okay, Star by Nisha Shuku. Again, another postcard. So these are postcards, but I planned on using them in my journals, in my junk journals, and my Hobonichi. And then they repeat. Very nice. Oh, those birds are pretty. I kind of want to, since I love this green color so much, I want to see that. Where can I put that? Here. For now. I could also use it for a bookmark. That works too. Even though I have these, I might want to bookmark another area later on, and I can do it there. Little panda bears. So let's see what this does. Okay, these are from Hallmark. Aww. Isn't this cute? So little tuck notes. So you can put them in. Okay, that is adorable. How cute is that? I just love stationery products. Papers and stickers and planners and all kinds of fun things. So what have we here? Love the life you live. Live like you love. Little card. Should I put this in here? Aren't these cheerful? So you could actually put them in with some washi tape. And then still have room for your notes if you just want some cheerfulness. Isn't that pretty? And the same thing with the little bear. What else do we have? Thanks. Oh, more stickers. So I didn't order these. This must be just a little thank you from Cute Things from Japan. Oh, these are cute. You can peel these off and put them in your journals as well. Oh, I got so many goodies. Let's see what else. Is there anything else? Just another sticker. Oh, looky here. So it is for each order over $25, you'll receive a sticker, and then I can get a 10% discount. I like that. And a thank you note. That's cute. Okay, I have one more thing left. I can't wait to read this flyer. This is going to be fun. This is the Cute Things from Japan newsletter. It's all about their stationery store. Here's KFC. Okay, so I'll read that later. Okay. Oh, I still have more. Aww. There you go. They're little pink fluffy kitties. Little stickers. Wish you could see it without the glare. There you go. So I've got another set there. And then I've got these itty bitty tiny little notes. They are so little. Okay, if you can see how tiny the envelope is and little scraps of paper, I'm not going to open it. I want to keep it like this for a while just because it's so cute in its little package, and I don't want to open it, but you can see it. You can see how cute. Okay, we'll just open it. Okay, I have to open it. That wouldn't be fair to you or me, because I want to see it. Here we go. Aw, little tiny pieces of paper. Look at that tiny little envelope. How cute is that? Okay, this has been, oh, still, I've got more. Okay. What is this? I think this is a sticker book I ordered that keeps all my stickers in it. That's right. Okay, I have to get some scissors. Okay, found some scissors. I should have had my scissors here, but I didn't. My bad. Okay, so we have little tiny pouches here, which you know what goes in this, don't you? my little letters and paper. That's so tiny. So let's put that in here. Because I don't want to lose that. That's just too adorable. And then tuck the envelopes in. Oops, I bent it. No. There we go. Okay, so in this little packet, I have my tiny envelopes in my tiny paper. And I have another one, so I will find something to put there. And then there's these little pouches that open up. Okay, good. So we can put little panda bears. Can we? No, panda bears too big unless he is folded. So we won't put him in. I'll put him in something else. But if you have smaller stickers or little papers, that's what these are for. And you can keep everything neat in here. And I love the bright color. The bright yellow is so cheerful. Okay, this has been fun. This was exciting. This was something that I couldn't remember what I bought. But then as I looked through some of it, I remembered. I just hadn't gotten to it in a while, so my bad. But it's fun because it's a surprise. I think my favorite are these postcards. These especially right here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you next time. If you liked, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And we will be back soon with some more Etsy, some more journals, maybe a purse that I have that I can't wait to show. Anyways, take care. Bye-bye.